The IBC dictates when a building requires a fire alarm system. Let's take 2 minutes to learn about R2s. R2 is going to be your apartments. So, we have an apartment building. We need to know the fire alarm system requirements. Go to the IBC's 907.2.9. What it tells us that if we need a fire alarm system, it's going to be a manual fire alarm system where any of the following conditions exist. If the building is 3 or more stories in height, we'll need a fire alarm system. If we have dwelling units that are more than 1 story below highest level of exit discharge, we're going to need a fire alarm system. This is looking at basement level dwellings that are going to be more than 1 story beneath the entrance. Buildings that have more than 16 dwelling units, going to need a fire alarm system. We're looking at occupant notification here, necessity for that, as well as in all sleeping units, smoke alarms going to be used. So when we have the necessity for pull stations, we're going to install them according to 72's requirements. They've got to be within 5 feet of all exit doors. There cannot be more than 200 feet of travel distance from one pull station to the next along the path of leaving the building, and they're going to be installed between 42 to 48 inches above finished floor to the actuator. Smoke detection will be a necessity, but we're not using smoke detectors. We're going to be using smoke alarms in all the sleeping units. In each sleeping room, they are not required to be connected to the building's fire alarm system. We don't need smoke detectors. We need smoke alarms. With our occupant notification, we're going with just audible and visible notification, so horns and strobes. We'll install our strobes in all common and public use areas. Our sleeping areas with audible notification, which is going to be all of them, will require to be producing 520 hertz waveform. Here's some exceptions to the pull stations. They're not required if it is a fully sprinklered building that activates a fire alarm system. A single pull station is not required in a lot of exceptions. If a single pull station is provided, it will have to be located in an area that is not accessible to the general public. If you're looking to learn more, if you just want more information, please log on to our website, nationaltrainingcenter.com.